Are you ready to start on a transformative journey that promises profound changes in just one night? If you're seeking a shift that aligns with your deepest desires, this video is tailor-made for you. Tonight, we'll explore powerful affirmations designed to recalibrate your mindset and catalyze significant personal growth. These aren't just words, they are the keys to unlocking a new realm of possibilities. Prepare to repeat these affirmations with us, immerse yourself fully, and open your heart to the incredible changes that await. Let's look into a night of renewal and witness the magic unfold together. Get ready, because your life is about to change in ways you've only dreamed of. I embrace the dual aspects of my nature and find balance in their union. Every day I am learning to navigate my thoughts and emotions with grace and wisdom. I am a master of communication, using my words to heal, inspire, and uplift those around me. My intellectual curiosity leads me to new and exciting discoveries every day. I am adaptable and resilient, flowing with the changes life brings with ease and confidence. I attract relationships that are based on mutual understanding and respect. My creative potential is limitless, and I tap into it daily to create wonders. I trust in the universe to lead me to my true path, filled with growth and happiness. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to learn something valuable about myself and the world. I am a beacon of light and positivity, influencing others with my cheerful disposition. I possess the power to manifest my desires with clarity and precision. I am open to new experiences that push my boundaries and expand my horizons. And the universe conspires to fulfill my dreams as I align my intentions with my actions. So my mind is a wellspring of brilliant ideas, and I have the ability to execute them effectively. I cultivate patience and understanding in all my interactions, knowing that everyone is on their own unique journey. I am grateful for the love and light that fill my life, enhancing my experiences and relationships. Every breath I take is an opportunity to choose joy and positivity. I release old patterns that no longer serve me and embrace new ways that lead to fulfillment. My ability to adapt makes me unstoppable in achieving my goals. I am committed to personal growth and continuously seek ways to improve myself. My relationships are a reflection of the joy and peace within me. I confidently express my thoughts and feelings, knowing they are received with understanding. I am a powerful creator, shaping my reality with thoughts and actions rooted in positivity. I find harmony in the chaos, knowing that everything happens for my highest good. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. Every day I become more attuned to the abundance of the universe and my part in it. I am a magnetic force for good, prosperity, and happiness. I trust my intuition and let it guide me through life's complexities. I am a dynamic individual, constantly evolving and embracing the newness of life. I am a peacemaker, bringing calm and resolution to conflict. I acknowledge my desires as legitimate and work towards fulfilling them with enthusiasm. I am blessed with a sharp mind and a warm heart, making me beloved by those around me. So my life is a beautiful collection of moments, each teaching me valuable lessons. I am the architect of my fate, building a life of success through diligence and optimism. I celebrate my unique qualities and use them to forge a path of success. So my ability to see both sides of every issue makes me a fair and respected decision maker. I am grounded in the reality of my greatness. I am a constant learner, always seeking to expand my understanding and abilities. My life is full of endless possibilities, and I explore them with an open heart. I possess the courage to stand up for my beliefs and the flexibility to adapt when beneficial. I am in complete control of my happiness and work diligently to cultivate it every day. So my spirit is adventurous, leading me to joyous discoveries and enriching experiences. I am kind, compassionate, and empathetic, enriching the lives of others with my presence. I am a master of reinvention, capable of transforming my life whenever I choose. So my life is a canvas, and I paint it with colors of love, joy, and passion. I am a vessel of peace and calm in a turbulent world. I attract success by being true to myself and my values. I embrace change as a natural part of life and look forward to the opportunities it brings. My voice is powerful and my words are charged with clear, honest intent. I am deeply attuned to the beauty of life and find joy in small, everyday moments. I am a source of joy and light in any room I enter. I nurture my body and mind daily, which reflects in my glowing health and sharp intellect. I am connected to the universe, and this connection guides me towards my life purpose. My life is a series of synchronicities showing me that I am exactly where I need to be. I am successful in my endeavors and inspire others to achieve their best. I trust the process of life and know that I am on the right path. I am deserving of love, success, and happiness. I maintain a positive outlook and see the good in every situation. I am an agent of change, using my skills to influence the world positively. I accept myself fully and release the need for approval from others. My mental agility allows me to think on my feet and solve problems with creativity. I am a conduit for peace and understanding in the world. My life is rich with experiences that shape me into a stronger, wiser person. I am a joyful participant in my life, actively engaging in moments big and small. My ability to communicate effectively opens doors and builds bridges. I am a loving presence in the lives of those I care about. I am a visionary, seeing potential where others see obstacles. I value and honor my relationships, bringing sincerity and warmth to them. I embrace my personal power, using it to build a life of fulfillment. My life reflects the energy of abundance, and I am open to receive. I am a harmonizer, effortlessly balancing various aspects of my life. I appreciate the beauty in the world and contribute to it with my actions. I am a natural leader, guiding with empathy and insight. I am blessed with the ability to adapt and thrive in any situation. I am a positive influence on my peers, encouraging them to embrace their best selves. I embrace the lessons life teaches me, knowing they are key to my growth. My journey is filled with abundance, success, and happiness. I am a beacon of love and positivity, radiating good vibes everywhere I go. I maintain a sense of wonder about the world, keeping my spirit youthful and energetic. I am confident in my path and the choices I make. I am a nurturer, caring deeply for others and helping them to heal. I am a champion of my own story, bravely facing challenges with a smile. I am a creator of joy, finding and spreading happiness daily. I am in harmony with the universe, drawing peace and happiness into my life. My mind is a sanctuary of peace and creativity. I celebrate each day with gratitude and openness. I am a positive force, actively shaping my destiny with optimism. My heart is open to love and I receive it in abundance. I am a unique soul, bringing my special light to the world. I am grateful for the journey and excited about the future. I am a peacemaker, spreading harmony and resolving conflicts with grace. I am vibrant, lively, and full of energy, bringing life to my dreams and visions. I acknowledge my fears and move beyond them with courage. I am a lighthouse, guiding others through my example of love, strength, and perseverance. I am a vessel for positive change, impacting the world in meaningful ways. I trust in my abilities and know that I can handle any situation with aplomb. I am a radiant being, shining light on the paths of others. I am deeply connected to my spiritual self, enriching my life with its wisdom. I am a force of nature, unstoppable in my pursuit of happiness and success. I am complete, whole, and utterly at peace with who I am. These affirmations are designed to guide you towards greater self-awareness, empowerment, and success in just one night. Repeat these affirmations regularly to harness their full potential and witness the positive changes they can bring into your life. If you found value in this video and believe in the power of positive affirmations, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content that can aid you and others in the journey towards a happier, more fulfilled life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Keep shining your light.